There is more, there is more than the parts can say.
There is more,
there is more.
something is showing the way.
We opened up the living word and named each piece we found. We traced the gene, we weighed the cell, we measured sight and sound. But every answer raised a question, waiting just beyond what calls the scattered notes together, what teaches them the song.
Who teaches them the song?
Who teaches them the song?
A gene may strike the opening chord, but it cannot sing alone. A cell may touch its nearest neighbor, still the wounded flesh comes home.
No tiny part can see the whole, no single voice commands. Yet life can find another road when something blocks its plans. How does it know?
Maybe knowing grows between us.
Between us, between us. Before the wink, before the eye,
before the final form,
there are pathways waiting quietly, possibilities unborn, not imaginary, not yet flesh, but roads that life may take, relationships that open doors and guide the choices life can make. There is more than the parts can say, more than the pieces show. Something in the way they meet makes another future grow. Layer upon layer, the unseen serves the scene. Possibility is organized through ministries unseen. Ministry by ministry, possibility unfolds. Ministry by ministry, the many become whole. We thought the world was built from plans, written once in stone, a blueprint hidden in the blood that made the body on its own.
but life is more like conversation, listening as it goes, correcting, reaching, turning back, remembering where to grow.
Not merely pushed,
Not merely pulled,
but answering what might be.
the parts become participants
Through living
unity.
oh, living living unity.
There is more than the parts can say,
Oh,
more than the pieces show.
something in the way they meet
Makes another future grow.
layer upon layer, the unseen serves the scene. Possibility is organized
Through ministries unseen, ministry by ministry.
Possibility unfolds.
Ooh, ministry by ministry.
The many become whole. Fixed law prepares the ground.
Prepares the ground,
The vital spark awakens.
life awakens
Mind begins to sense and learn.
to sense and learn.
And every larger circle
Brings more choices in its turn.
the controllers hold the physical,
The life carriers soul.
so the seed, let it grow. The adjutant winds enlarge the mind,
And spirit draws it home.
draws it home.
Draws it home.
And personality holds the center, one presence through it all, while the quiet light within us
Turns possibility into call.
Maybe intelligence is not a thing that any piece can own. Maybe wisdom lives within the bonds through which the parts are known. Maybe freedom is the widening space where greater choices start. Maybe mind prepares the pathway, but love reveals the heart. Love reveals the heart.
Love reveals the heart.
Oh, love reveals the heart. Oh, love reveals the heart.
There is more than the parts can say.
More than the pieces show.
More than the pieces show.
Something in the way they serve
Makes another future grow.
layer upon layer,
Layer upon layer.
from matter into soul. Possibility
Is organized
as every part serves the whole. Ministry by
ministry. Possibility unfolds.
relationship by relationship,
The many
become whole. There is more,
there is more.
there is more, more than the parts can say.
There is more.
There is more.
Something is showing the way.
We opened up the living world and named each piece we found. We traced the gene, we weighed the cell, we measured sight and sound. But every answer raised a question, waiting just beyond what calls the scattered notes together, what teaches